What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today I'll be doing another car feature which I haven't done in quite a few months. If you guys been following my channel for a while, I like to do car features on really cool builds. By car features I mean like I take photographs of the car, I do like a full walk around, the owner telling me what's been done to the car, and then I do a separate cinematic video of the car as well. So I usually feature them on my playlist on the YouTube channel called Car Features. So if you want to check on previous car features, you can click on that playlist to check it out. Like I said, with coronavirus, I just haven't been, meeting up any car owners and doing car features for quite a few months. I don't even think I've done any in 2020 so far. So I really want to get back to it. Just takes a little bit more time organizing a shoot and all that stuff. But I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me for my first feature of 2020, even though it's pretty late. I'll be shooting an S15 240SX, so super cool. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check it out here in a little bit, but yeah, really excited to get this shoot going. And for those of you guys who don't know what an S15 is, you guys might know what a 240SX is. So there's the S13 as well as the S14 that came to the US, but the S15 never came. So what that means is to get an S15 240SX in the US, you have to import it over from Japan, and that means it's right-hand drive because you don't have it here in the US, so that's pretty cool. I think the first time I saw an S15 in person was back in Dallas at a car show, I want to say like 4 or 5 years ago. Owner was really cool, let me sit in the car and all that stuff. And then actually when I visited Singapore on a trip, my last trip, 2015 and 2018, I saw S15s. On 2018 trip, I actually got to do a little ride along in an S15 back in Singapore, so that was really cool. That's my first ride along in an S15 240SX. Yeah, really excited. This one is super done up, really nice as well. Owner's super cool. So I'm gonna be taking my Civic Si today. I'm gonna head out and we're gonna meet with him and all that. This will be a little like behind the scenes vlog. But yeah, there'll be a whole separate video of me like talking to him, what's been done, ride along, hopefully all that good stuff. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And we'll be taking out the FG2 Civic Si today. Gonna start her up, cold start. You guys already know this car is really loud. Always feel like I'm waking up the whole neighborhood. On camera it doesn't sound too loud actually, but it is full 3-inch straight pipe. Pretty much skunk 2 exhaust with headers. And since I'm taking photos, I'm going to be taking along my Nikon D5300 with my 50mm 1.8 lens as well. So yeah, let's head over there. I think we're gonna meet him at a Starbucks. I think he also said he might have a friend Nia come by with the Evo 8 as well. I really want to shoot that car too, but I don't know if I have time today. If I do, I'll shoot both cars. If I don't, then I'll just wait for another time to do that feature. But yeah, really excited to hang out. Just got over here to the Starbucks. I'm meeting here. So yeah, just took my Civic Si. I think they're gonna get some gas and they'll be here shortly. There they are. We have Nia and the Evo 8. Ooh, the S15. And it seems like AJ brought the S2000 out too. Ooh, dang. Look at that. We got a whole convoy over here. So we have AJ's AP2 S2000, the S15, my lame looking SI, and Nia's Evo 8. We're gonna go inside Starbucks, get some coffee, it's pretty cold. Just got my green tea frappuccino. Everyone's just hanging out by the cars. We got 3 white cars and 1 gray car. Dang, fire lineup of cars. So we just got to this spot, parked all our cars here, and we'll be shooting the S15 today. So having the Silvia parked over here with this warehouse as the backdrop. So now that we just got here and situated the S15 at this location, we're gonna shoot a separate video talking about exactly what's been done to the car and a full rundown. So really excited. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Again, this is the behind the scenes video of the S15 shoot. Oh, and we also, he also brought a drone. What drone setup do you bring?
Oh, it's a Maverick Pro too.
Maverick Pro? Nice.
I think so. I haven't used it that much, so.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Hope I don't crash it.
So we have Nia and AJ about to head out. Like I said, Always see these guys at Long Shop, but stay tuned for a feature soon. So we're gonna hop inside the S15 and we're gonna have Thompson start her up. What exhaust setup again you said? Was a what exhaust setup?
HKS.
Ooh, yes, the HKS. Feels weird going on the wrong side. Very nice. Feels different being on the other side.
Super bouncy step.
So right now it has the ISR coilovers, which are about to be swapped out pretty soon. Yeah, I'm trying to think when's the last time I was in a right-hand drive. Probably when I was back in Asia, which is 2 years ago. It's been a long time. Super cool. I don't know, for me it's like still like a little bit of a novelty, you know. Ooh, SR20 turbo. Is it a stock turbo?
Yes, stock S15 turbo.
Okay, sounds pretty good. Is there any like blow-off valves or anything?
No, I deleted the blow-off valve. That's not flutters like that.
Ah, it's like a bypass valve.
Yeah.
Ooh, the turbo flutters. That's awesome, man. It's a 6-speed transmission. And that Nismo cluster though.
Yeah, I just put that in 2 days ago.
How high is the red line? Is it actually?
It's at 7.
7?
Yeah,
okay. Little backfire too.
Yeah.
Man, this thing sounds good.
Yeah.
So right now, like stock power, you said is about like how much? 200-ish, 250 maybe.
Yeah, 250.
Okay.
Crank, I think that's.
Car's really light. You can really feel like I don't know how heavy it is, but it sounds good, man. So right along.
Yeah, right.
Small little details, like I said, JDM car. You get like Japanese stuff everywhere. Is this OEM?
Yeah, this is
That's pretty cool.
the interior is really mint. Like
No crack dash. Common 240 problem.
Yeah, I'm hoping this doesn't crack.
That's pretty nice. And then of course there's Silvia badge on here. Yeah, silver everywhere. Floor mats has Silvia as well. OEM floor mats. Pretty cool. Interior, I just see the double din, but other than that, everything stock shift knob, stock steering wheel, which is super cool because it has like that Silvia S badge or lightning bolt badge, whatever you want to call it. Two cup holder, non-existent back seats.
Yeah, useless back seats.
I remember back when the S14, when I purchased it, like I don't know how many years ago, it was actually meant for my sister because my sister wanted a first car and she's like, I don't want a Honda Civic, I don't want an Accord, I don't want a Camry or Corolla, I want something cool and 2 doors.
Yeah, right.
So I was looking at a Z32 300ZX and an S14, and the S14 was real mint. It was like bone stock. It had like 69,000 miles, like stock miles. Everything was stock. So I was like, 2 lady owners, so you know it was like not, you know, beat up.
Yeah, it wasn't molested.
Yeah, but I remember I had a friend who was like, let me go on the test drive. He sat back there. As you can tell, there's zero back space. So one thing I asked off camera, which I figured is good to ask on camera too. So you had, I mean, obviously you have left-hand drive cars too. So when you hop from your left-hand drive car to your right-hand drive car, do you find it kind of weird to shift with your left hand?
No. I guess because I'm used to it too. But when I first drove a right-hand drive car, the only downside that was hard for me was my depth perception. Time to turn left or like time to turn right.
Okay.
I couldn't see anything. Like, it was natural to me. It was second nature.
Okay.
Yeah, so it wasn't hard. But I know a lot of people don't like it or they tell me that it's weird. But I think it's normal to me now. It feels weird driving on that side now.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have any, I guess all your stick cars, are they all right-hand drive or?
Yeah, except for my family car. That is regular. It's a Dodge Durango, so.
But it's automatic, not stick?
It's automatic, yeah.
So I guess you're still, yeah, pretty much all your stick cars you used to be on that side, I guess.
Yeah.
I heard some people say it's better to shift with the left hand. Would you say it's more comfortable or?
I think it's comfortable for me.
Okay.
But I mean, I had a Civic that was a US model 4 or 5 months ago, and I drove it like it was nothing.
Okay.
It was normal.
So pretty easy for you to hop. Oh, nice little pulls. Sounds so good. Just done with a little ride along, and yeah, Thompson's just gonna head out. Such a beautiful car. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Again, if you guys stick to the end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so you know when new videos are out. Really stoked to bring back the car features again. That's personally what I love to do. So just talking to owners, finding out what the build, what's been done to the car. Super awesome. It's just 2020 has threw a curveball at me. If you guys like the car features, I don't typically get a lot of views on it, but I love making car features. Let me know in the comment section below. What would you like me to review, or what would you like me to do a car feature of? Thanks so much for watching, and catch you guys in the next one.